one strange construction set. How does it work? Ah! Hello, dear friends. Maybe you know how it should work. I want to build the marble maze. But there are so many pieces, and they really don't want to go together. Ouch! This is so hard! I will never do this! Oh, I did it? Yay! I am so glad that you are here! What? You want to make it bigger? All right. This piece should probably go right here. That's right. And the base is done. Now I need this. Here is one. And two. Oh, and 3 pieces that should go together. So the blue one goes into the yellow one. Hey, this actually reminds me of something. Oh, I know. Ha! It's a piece of the road for the marbles to run on. And look, here's another one. Beep, beep. Oh, the marbles will be running so funny and fast. I want to make this road even bigger. Now, which one of these pieces looks like a turn? This one. What else? What else? I know, we need a tall tower. Here goes 1, 2, and 3 pieces. Make way! I'm coming down! Click! Here's one more piece of road. Ooh, hello there! Well, do you want a test run? I sure do. Here we go! Faster! Faster! One more time. 1, 2, 3. It is so much fun to play with you. Pew! Pew! Here goes the green ball. Here goes the orange ball. I can do it all day. Oh no, everything is ruined. Wait a second. I can build something else now. And it will be even bigger. Let's do this. Shoo! Shoo! I need more space here. Wow, thank you. But I need more pieces. Oh-wee! You know what? Let's make our maze huge. I think I'm getting better at this. And it's all because you are playing with me. Now it's time to build the road. I love to watch how those balls are running on it. Do you like that too, friends? Yes! What should we build next? Where was that picture? Ah, we need to build a slide. The orange piece goes here, and the blue one right here. Great! Stomp, stomp, stomp. Where is our place? We want to play too. You go here, and you will be over here. Yippee! Oh, this is so much fun. And with these bright pieces, I can make even more turns. Oh, wow, just look at this, friends. Is it a train? We will find that out in a minute. Let's build everything first. What? You can't wait, can you? Well, me too. Here we go. This ball can jump. Away! Whoops! I tried too hard. Let's better keep going. The green piece goes here, and the blue one has its special place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is. One more piece has landed. Look, friends, these towers are so tall, and they are connected with a piece of road. Here's the next batch of pieces. How many are here? Do you know how to count? Yes! Let's do this together. 1, 2, and 3. Well done, friends. We've got 3 pieces here. Now let's build a tower. This piece goes here, and this one goes on its top. Great! Here we go! Click! Let's see how everything works. Awesome! But we'd better keep going. It's 1 and 2 blocks for one tower, and 3 and 4 blocks for another tower. And this is one big turn. But wait, why do we have so much empty space over here? What should we put there? Let's see. Aha! The instructions say this is what we need to build. Will you help me, friends? I knew I could count on you. Here we go. We need orange pieces next. Do you see any? What? Is there something on my head? Oh, wow. 1 and 2, and this one is a see-through. I just made a rhyme. Alrighty, the green piece. Wait, what? Oh, shame on you, Mr. Deer. No one should take someone else's stuff. There we go. Let's keep building, friends. We're doing great. Keep it up, marbles. Go, go. Yay. One more time. Bada boom. Hey, why are you lying just like that? We need you here, tower. There you go. And yet another turn. This maze makes me happy. Hey, this piece also looks like a smile. Do you know what this color is? It is red. Very well. You know so much stuff, dear friends. And now you also know how to build a marble maze. Isn't it just great? Do you like learning new things? I know I do. Learning is fun. Whoa, our maze is so big already, but we are not done yet. We need to build more floors. Okay, let me see. Aha! This tower can be even taller. And this one goes here. Our maze is so colorful. There are red, orange, and blue colors, and all of them have their place. Here is where this piece of road should go. I'm going to press it a little bit. 1, and 2, and something in between. Yellow road number 1, and yellow road number 2. Very well. Here come the maze runners. Oh, everything seems to work just like it should. Yay! This is great. Huh, this thing definitely does something important. But what? Oh, thanks! Now I get it! It's another fun slide for our marbles. I'll put it together. And here's a turn! Great! Now let's find a perfect spot for it. I think it can go right here. I should be careful not to ruin it. Wow! Just look how tall this tower is! I know that it should be over here. And click! And... Hey, I need one more click! So what's left? Here's the picture. This one? Maybe? This one? Nope! I need that green thingy. Where is it? Hello, Mr. Snowman. Can I take off your hat, please? This is just what I was looking for. Let me make it stand still and we can test it. Are you ready to see something cool? Then let's go! Wow! This piece of road is very long! It will take our marbles forever to run through it! Oh, I almost forgot! Please, subscribe to this channel if you like our playdate. And as a thank you, I will show you one amazing block! Do you know what this color is called? It is clear! And it is so pretty, right? It definitely is my favorite! Okay, we're nearly done with building our maze. Just a few pieces left! Look how funny this one looks! Oh, you won't believe what I just found! Check this out! It's moving! This cool giant wheel goes here! And this really cool spiral thing should be over here! Let's make it stand still! This green piece is really funny! Look! Alright, we did it! Our marble maze is finally ready! Where are the maze runners? On your marks, get set, go! Wow! Would you just look at this? Oh! It's Whirlpool! Friends, it's amazing that we build this on our own! Hey, which one is your favorite marble here? Oh, you're right! I like it too! They run so fast! Whoosh! And whoosh! Oh, I like doing this so much! Boom! Wow! I think I could do this all day long! Just look at this marble! Hey! Where did it go? Can you see it, friends? There it is! We did great! Till our next playdate! Bye!